Professor Robinson, thank you for a wonderful lecture in your unpretentious but very direct way. An OECS man, of whom we are very proud, thank you very much for coming and sharing your perspective with us. And I'm not going to go into the lecture. We don't have the time for that. But notice he said, if I were Prime Minister for a week, this is the 5 things I would do. And as he went on, he said, if I were Prime Minister for 10 days, this is what I would do. So if this lecture had gone on any longer, I suspect you would have been asking for an extended term. I say no more on that for now. All right? Very exciting, inspiring. We have to discuss that some more. I do want to thank our banks, all of our banks who were nominated. You were recognized for what you did. And of course, to our winners, our awardees. I'll say 2 things about the awards. Well, 3 things. 1, the Governor of Central Bank had absolutely nothing to do with these awards. Yes, young lady, I heard that laugh. We have a judge, we have a team of judges. We leave it to them. The criteria is there, the public has a say, and then they make the decisions. I get a note saying these are the awardees. And I'm comfortable with the team, so no issues there. My second comment is to say, clearly, evidently, St. Lucia is on a roll. It should not surprise us. There was the Olympics, Julian Alfred. Then came CPL, St. Lucia Kings, and now ECCU Bank of the Year Award, Distinguished Bank of the Year. So congratulations to St. Lucia. St. Lucia is our largest member, by the way. It accounts for about 25% of the ECCU economy. So congratulations to you, St. Lucia. Bank of Saint Lucia. And the third thing I'll say about the awards is that we introduced last year the award for SMEs, small, medium enterprises, small businesses. And the main premise for that award, the main determinant of that award, is the support of our banks for our partial credit guarantee program. If you've never heard of it, very simply put, we launched this program in October 2020, middle of the pandemic, to support small businesses. You can get up to $700,000 as a guarantee through your bank, credit union, or development bank. Not all of our credit unions are participating. They're now coming on board. A couple of our development banks have already started. Development Bank in St. Lucia, Grenada Development Bank, for sure those have started. Others are hopefully going to come online. But it's open to everyone. And we are very keen to see more take-up of that program. To date, we've had about 130 guarantees, about 37 in Grenada, I believe over 35 in St. Lucia, and then St. Vincent, and that's we have 2 in St. Kitts and Nevis. We want to see more take-up of that program. The loans issued so far value around 15 million, 1.5. The guarantees around 12, 1.2. Our initial hope was that we'd at least be able to do 250 guarantees of about $30 million in value and then press on. So I'm being very direct with our banks tonight. We need you to take this program and move it along a lot faster. So for all of you who don't know, it is simply through your bank, credit union, or development bank, you go for a loan based on certain qualifying criteria, you can get a guarantee of, say, 75 or 80%. If it's a $100,000 loan, $100,000 loan, the guarantee could be around $80,000. And we found this is very important because many of our small businesses struggle to bring either collateral, certainly don't have a track record, and many do not have the connections to get the loan. We cannot double the size of our economies, the big push, without small businesses. Small businesses are essential. Small businesses account and are the single largest source of employment in our currency union. That is also true in the United States, the largest economy in the world. So there's a deliberate strategic move by our central bank with the Partial Credit Guarantee Corporation. I want to recognize the chairman of the corporation, Mr. Michael Spencer, who's here, and the board members, some of whom are here. There's a deliberate move by us to support small businesses. We've made the move. Now it's your turn. Banks, credit unions, and others. Governments have supported us through this program. They have invested. Now we need to see the results of that investment. That's all I wanted to say on that. Obviously, I'm unashamedly making a plug for the program because of what it needs to do for our region, and this is why it is now one of the awards that we give at the Bank of the Year Awards. Let's see who gets it next. Last year it was Republic Grenada. This year it's Bank of Saint Lucia. Let's see who gets it next year. I put on the challenge. Let me see what you have next year. We'll see, God willing. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm between you and the break and refreshments, and therefore I'll say no more for now. Tomorrow morning we will convene the conference, and I'll have a few more words to share at the opening plenary. But suffice it to say, I want to thank everyone for your full participation. I'm told this is one of our bigger turnouts of Sir Arthur Ludwig's lecture, and I know there are many online who are enjoying the lecture and enjoying the ceremony, the awards ceremony, and I want to thank all of you on behalf of all of us here at ECCB. It is a pleasure to serve you. It is a joy to serve you. We delight in serving you, and we want to do even better. So continue to give us the feedback, because around here we say feedback is a gift. And every day we challenge ourselves, because we have to make a distinct choice. We either going to curse the darkness or light a candle. Every day you must choose to light a candle. That's what we try to do around here. You see those awards that were mentioned, the 6, 7, how many awards we've gotten in the last 5, 6 years? It's a deliberate, we don't set out ourselves to get awards. We're grateful. But we are very clear-minded about the need for us to strive for excellence, to drive innovation, and to light candles. That is what we must do together. And I'll close with something I've always said. It's a little anthem around here by now, and it's an original quote of mine. As a region, we cannot change our history, nor can we change our geography. But together, we can and must elevate our development trajectory through innovation and collective action. Thank you. God bless you all.